When it comes to skincare, less is always more. This theory perfectly fits for rice water. Rice water benefits the skin in numerous ways and is gaining attention for its use in many skincare regimes. This water is rich in nutrition and an integral part of Korean and Japanese skincare routine. So, stay with me till the end of this video to understand the benefits of rice water and know the 3 different ways to prepare it and how to use it on your skin. Rice water is known to help with skin irritation caused by sodium lauryl sulfate, an ingredient found in many personal care products. Anecdotal evidence shows that using rice water twice a day helps skin that has been dried and damaged by SLS. The amino acids, antioxidants, and minerals found in rice water may help slow or stop the skin's aging process. Additionally, it might stop the skin aging enzyme elastase that damages the elastin in your skin. As a result, rice water may retain skin suppleness and assist in hiding indications of aging on the skin. Fermented rice water can be a significant asset in your struggle with issues like dull skin, pimples, or uneven skin tone. Your skin's collagen synthesis will be increased, resulting in a supple, radiant complexion. In addition, it aids in the fading of scars, pigmented spots, and blemishes. Therefore, rice water for skin whitening is highly recommended. When the natural barrier of your skin is compromised, it becomes dry and vulnerable to skin conditions like atopic dermatitis. A study found that rice starch could help improve and repair the natural barrier of the skin. This is especially beneficial for people who have atopic dermatitis. This function of rice water may also be beneficial for managing eczema, rashes, and inflammation. Rice water feels soothing on sunburned skin. It is effective for curing minor signs of sunburn, such as redness, swelling, and itching. When applied to the skin, starchy rice water also has a tightening and toning effect. People with oily skin may benefit the most from this. Rinse your face with rice water if you have oily skin. The astringent properties of the rice water aid in reducing oiliness and shielding the skin from breakouts and acne. Rice water is barren of any synthetic chemicals, so it is suitable for all skin types. If you are willing to give it a try to avail these benefits, here is a complete guide on how you could prepare rice water at home. Take a cup of rice. You may choose any variety of rice. Give it a quick rinse to clean it. Pour about 3 cups of water in the bowl and soak the rice in the water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, use your fingers to gently stir and press down the rice. Now, strain this water and collect the water in a glass bottle. You can store rice water in the refrigerator for about a week. After this period, you will have to prepare another batch. Fermented rice water is extremely good for the skin. A study found that topical application of rice wine prevented UV damage and protected the natural barrier of the skin. It has significant anti-aging benefits as it promotes pro-collagen synthesis. Thus, it prevents wrinkles and transepidermal water loss and promotes epidermal thickening. Here's what you need to do to make fermented rice water. In a bowl, take 1 cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly with water. You may choose any variety of rice. Pour about 3 cups of water in the bowl and soak the rice in the water for about 24 hours or till the time it ferments. Now, strain this water and collect the water in a glass bottle and refrigerate it. This is the easiest way to prepare fermented rice water at home. Now, let's check the boiling method. For this, you have to boil a cup of rice just the way you would cook. Strain out the starchy water. Store the rice water in a bottle. Let it cool down completely before you store it in the refrigerator. That's it. It's just that simple. Now that we know all the 3 methods of preparing the rice water, let us now see how to use it on your skin. Using rice water on your skin is pretty easy. If you're using the soaked rice water, all you have to do is just take a small amount of fermented rice water in a spray bottle. Wash your face, make sure that you don't have any kind of a dust or grim on your face, and simply spray the rice water on your face. Leave it for about 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes are up, you can just wash your face with the plain water. While rice water is considered safe for topical use, but if you're someone who is allergic to rice, then you may experience certain side effects. It may cause skin irritation and trigger rashes, redness and itchiness. Also, do not use rice water excessively, as it may further dry out the skin and cause flaking. Therefore, always conduct a patch test to prevent these adverse effects. Avoid using it if you see any of these signs. Rice water can be stored only for up to 24 hours at room temperature and for a week in the refrigerator. Please do not use it beyond that. The patch will eventually ferment. You can also leave rice water on your face overnight and wash it off the next day morning. So, this was some information about fermented rice water and ways to include it in your skincare routine. Hope you will find this information helpful. If so, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. You can find more such videos in my channel. Just click on the playlist that I have attached here for you. You can find more such skincare related videos. Do share your views and thoughts on this video. It will be great listening from you. Take good care of yourselves. I will see you in my next video at rivaafoodz.